Namaskar. Today's topic is LTC in the first year in new organization. I request the new viewers to please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So there are various scenarios in respect to leave travel concession for employees joining in the new organization. Like if you have joined for the first time in your life a government job, then you are not eligible for LTC in the first year. That is a rule. Another scenario is if you are joining a new organization after serving an old organization, then on the basis of technical resignation you will be treated as a employee and your service will be counted for the purpose of LTC. So you are eligible in the first year. Let us see how it works. Leave travel concession is admissible in the first year of joining a new organization or a government job after technical resignation, but with specific conditions. Key points from rules. As per DOPT-OM dated 17th August 2016, entitlement to LTC may be carried forward in case of a central government servant who joins another post after having submitted technical resignation. तो आपने टेक्निकल रेजिग्नेशन दिया है तो आपका LTC कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगा. इन केस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय who resigns within 8 years of his appointment and joins another post in government, and similar is the case of 4 years. If you resign in 4 years, then so the government servant will be treated as a fresh recruit for a period of 8 years from the date of his initial government appointment under government. तो मतलब मान लीजिए आपने 5 साल के बाद जॉब छोड़ी है एंड यू आर मूविंग टू अनदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर 3 years, यू विल बी ट्रीटेड एज ए फ्रेश रिक्रूट एंड यू विल बी एंटाइटल टू LTC. ऐसे ही 4 साल के बाद छोड़िए तो 4 साल के लिए आप न्यू एम्प्लॉय फ्रेश एम्प्लॉई होंगे, 4 साल आपको मिलेंगे. Second, LTC is admissible only after completion of 1 year's continuous service under the central government on the date of journey. सिंपल केसेस में फ्रेश लाइफ में पहली जॉब में आपको 1 year के बाद ही मिलेगी. However, in case of technical resignation, there is no break in service. You are eligible for LTC in the first year itself. Therefore, if the employee has completed 1 year of continuous service, then LTC is admissible in the first year. However, if there is a break, then LTC is not admissible. So this is the scenario. I hope you have understood. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.